Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Infinix XWatch H4 smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to explore the message notifications of this wearable. So this smartwatch do have a support for message notifications, app notifications, as well as SMS or text messages. So we'll explore this functionality, we'll check it and see if it works with this popular application. So the smartwatch, let's see if it will work with Viber, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp application, and of course SMS. So if you are interested to see the functionality, the push notification feature of the Infinix H4 or the XWatch H4, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the smart notifications. We are already connected with the My Health application. So let's set up the push notifications. So we have here the push notifications menu. Let's see, messages, let's activate it. Instagram, Facebook, Messenger. We don't have a, let's see, we don't have a Viber. Okay, so I guess it will fall into the other option. Again, let's check. So we have SMS, we have Instagram, Facebook, we have Messenger, we have WhatsApp application, but we don't have the Viber account. So let's select other. Okay, then let's try and have our own SMS quick reply. I guess this one will work for calls. So let's try, let's change it. I will okay. I'm okay. Let's just change it to I'm okay test. Then save. You cannot add your own. You can only edit here the pre or the quick replies, the pre-made quick replies. You can only edit it, but you cannot add your own, just like in the Huawei Band 10 or the Galaxy Fit 3. But anyway, we'll check if this thing works. Hopefully it will work with push notifications. If not, I guess this is for the Bluetooth call. Let's go first with our push notifications. So we have here our smartphone. Let's go first with the Messenger. So let's send a message to Cindy. Hello, Infinix. Then let's send a message. Hopefully it will work. And we have here a notification. So we have a logo, the name of the sender. We have a time, we don't have a time. Okay, again, we do have the message here, the name of the sender and the logo, and the option to delete it. Let's have another one. Hi, emoji test. Let's see. Then let's add our own emoji. This is sticker. We have the emoji here, smileys. Then let's send. Hopefully it will work. Emoji test. And we have here, no, and that's it. So we have here our New message. Where's that? Okay, we have it here. Hi, emoji. But there's no support for emoji, as you can see. Only text here showing that someone sends you an emoji. But we don't have the graphics. So let's remove this. Let's try to delete all of the messages. Okay. So it works with our messenger. Let's try to have a missed call. It's now calling and call. Let's see if we'll receive a missed call. It's a bit delayed. Alright, so let's do it again. Seems like there's an issue with the network. Let's try to call again. Calling. And we have here and call. And we have here an audio call. Next, let's try the WhatsApp application. So let's say hello to Infinix. Hello, Infinix. Message sent. And we have here the message. Okay. Let's check out the settings first. Let's see if the display screen will activate if we receive a notification. We have an option here. Vibrate and ring. We have menu view, wrist raised, and wrist drop. We don't have the option. Let's check it here before we have another example. Alarm, other settings. Okay, we don't have an option here. So let's see. Let's have another one. Another one. Message sent. Okay, I sense a vibration. Yes, there's a support for activating the screen display when you receive a message. Then let's wait for it to turn off and let's try to call. Message. The screen is off, so let's try to have a call. And call. And let's see. We'll be able to receive notifications. Did not work. And we have here, but the screen did not activate. Again, let's try again for the notifications. Let's try to see if it will activate when the screen is turned off. Okay, again. Hello. Message sent. Okay, we received the notification, but as you can see here, that's the screen of the Infinix XWatch H4 did not activate. Let's check, and we have here the notifications. So seems like that is one of the missing function or feature for the push notifications. Let's try Instagram. Hello. Message sent. There's a delay again. Okay, so we have here the message. Again, the things that are missing is the date and time for the messages. As you can see, there's no date and there's no time. Plus, the screen, it's not activating or it doesn't light up when you receive notifications. Okay, next let's try the Viber account. So we already activated the others. Let's see if this will work. Hello, how are you? Message sent. And we have here, we have the message. No, let's clear this first again. Message sent. We did not receive any messages for the Viber app. Okay, so it seems like there's no support for Viber application, although the other options here is activated, as you can see. Let's reactivate it again. Message sent. Okay, so we did not receive any notifications, although we received a notification here on the main smartphone, but we did not receive any notifications, as you can see. So there's no support, or it's not working with the Viber app, but it works with Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Next, let's try to send a long message here. More text. Let's copy. Let's go back. Paste the message here. Then message sent. Let's wait. And we have here the message. So it supports a lot of text or characters. Again, let's check. So let's read the message. Message here. Let's see. So the quick brown fox and his shoes. Until sentence. Where's the sentence here? Okay, sentence that uses. So there's a lot of characters supported. We have at least 2 sentences, or at least a paragraph, for our Infinix XWatch 3. With other smartwatches, if the message is long and there's a lot of characters, or at least 2 sentences or a paragraph, there's a scrolling option for the wearable, or for the messages. You can read it all. This one, you have to manually swipe the text or the message. Okay, so that's it for the number of characters for our Infinix XWatch H4. The last one, let's see if it will work with SMS. So we have here SMS. Let's send a message. Hello. Message sent. Okay. Did we receive any notifications? Yes, we do have. So there's a support for text messages. As you can see here, it has its own logo for text messages. Okay, again, it works with SMS or text messages. For the application supported, so it has support for Telegram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Linked, and other. Okay, there's no support for other applications, I think. For other applications here, it did not work with Viber. Okay, but it works with Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp application, as well as SMS. So that's it for our video demo for the push notifications of the Infinix XWatch H4. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe. Bye.